Welcome to this lesson on solving grade 1 equations, also known as linear equations. So, what is a grade 1 equation? It's an equation that contains a variable with the highest power of 1. For example, equations like x plus 3 equals 5 or 2x minus 7 equals 9 are grade 1 equations. Let's learn how to solve grade 1 equations step by step. Our goal is to isolate the variable, which means getting the variable by itself on one side of the equation. There are two main steps to solving grade 1 equations. First, we move all terms with the variable to one side and all constants to the other side. Then, we divide both sides by the coefficient of the variable. Let's solve our first example. X plus 3 equals 5. Remember, when solving equations, we need to keep them balanced. Think of an equation like a balance scale. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other side to maintain the balance. Now, let's solve this equation. We need to move the constant 3 to the right side. To do this, we subtract 3 from both sides. On the left side, x plus 3 minus 3 equals x. On the right side, 5 minus 3 equals 2. So we get x equals 2. Let's try another example. 2x minus 7 equals 9. Again, we need to keep the equation balanced. First, let's move the constant term. We add 7 to both sides. On the left side, 2x minus 7 plus 7 equals 2x. On the right side, 9 plus 7 equals 16. So we get 2x equals 16. Now we need to isolate x. We divide both sides by 2. On the left side, 2x divided by 2 equals x. On the right side, 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So we get x equals 8. Let's try a slightly more complex example. 3x plus 4 equals 2x minus 5. Notice that we have the variable x on both sides of the equation. We need to gather all terms with x on one side. Let's move all x terms to the left and all constant terms to the right. Let's solve step by step. First, we'll subtract 2x from both sides to move all x terms to the left. This gives us 3x minus 2x plus 4 equals negative 5. Now, we combine like terms on the left. 3x minus 2x equals x, so we have x plus 4 equals negative 5. Next, we subtract 4 from both sides. This gives us x equals negative 5 minus 4, which is negative 9. So, x equals negative 9 is our solution. It's always a good idea to verify your solution by substituting it back into the original equation. Let's verify our last answer. We'll substitute x equals negative 9 into the original equation. 3x plus 4 equals 2x minus 5. On the left side, 3 times negative 9 plus 4 equals negative 27 plus 4, which equals negative 23. On the right side, 2 times negative 9 minus 5 equals negative 18 minus 5, which also equals negative 23. Since both sides equal negative 23, our solution is correct. Let's summarize what we've learned about solving grade 1 equations. First, we move all variable terms to one side and all constant terms to the other side. Then, we combine like terms on each side. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of the variable to isolate it. Finally, we verify our solution by substituting it back into the original equation. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more equations you solve, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching.